guys, today I just want to take care of this beetroot bed here. As you can see, man, it has some weeds growing here, and I don't know if you can see here. Sometimes you find that there's one, sometimes you find that there's more than one beet, so I need to separate them. As you can see, they are spaced about 30 centimeters from 30 centimeters apart, so I need to separate them. And then, like, I don't know if you can see, but like here, I need maybe from this beet to that one there, I need to put another one in the middle of these two. So that will be about because it's 30, so it will be about 15 centimeters now, no longer 30 centimeters. So like this ones here, I'm going to separate these ones. As you can see, this is more than one beetroot here. So I'm going to separate this, put another one there, and then maybe another one here as well. That should give me about 15, and then about 30 from that one to this one here. But then first I need to take out these weeds, all these weeds. I need to clean this first. As you can see, there are so many weeds here. And then this one I think is called Early Wonder, and it was started on as transplants. I have some, what do we call this, seedling trays, and then I started them inside seedling trays, and then they were transplanted here about 10 days ago. So let's get to it, guys. As you can see now, our bed is it is going to around 5 o'clock now, if I'm not mistaken. It is going to around 5 o'clock now. And then what I'm going to do now, as you can see, these weeds here, the bed at least now is clean, it's done, it's dusted. So I'm just going to open the drips, and then after that I'm going to start separating this. They call it thinning. I'm going to start thinning them, and then after that I'm going to apply some liquid fertilizer, and then it will be all for today. Mona se bol.
Monesh.
Before go nna ka mokgomo. O irile pila nkgonne. Ke busy ha. Monna ha.
Transplant.
Ha ke transplant ke a kgaoganya. Ha ke rane ge re jwala go le gontsi. Yaano ge di ntse di gola yana. Di go raya di re ke pitlagane yaano mme ha ke di ise kgakala mmata ke beetroot ke bopanya hela lone e bopaneng le one. Tse dintsi di tla mona tse dintsi ke tla di. Tse dintsi mmata ke tla di bona. Mona o sila o tlhatlegile. O ira scarfting. Mona mphele se bene ho. O morare ka rampele ho kokota hantlung ho. O re bo. Mona ba fodimo. No. Hona le ngwana o mong ko ntlung ko.
Mona a ka tsamaile ska ba nthare nna.
A ka mperekolla.
Mona phefo ya sa.
Phefo ga e tshwe.
Nta ke riana ma.
Phefo a ke tshoge ke tshoga ngwana o.
O ra re ena ka etsa disaster.
A ka ira disaster phefo ga e tshwenye mma.
O ta be se.
Mme le gona ke re ke setse ka ke tsa Suzana ka re nna se bola ke se ke mmo. Ye. A reng?
Anthare ke se ka lebala ke tswetsa.
Nya o irile pila mma. O irile pila nkgonne ke la bogile ga ntsi ga 7 ga 2010. Sharpo man. You can see, guys. I don't know if you can see, but this is how far we've gone. This is how far we've gone, and then tomorrow we'll continue with part 2 of this, and then of course we'll be doing some other stuff also. But yeah, this is how far we've gone. As you can see, if you compare this and if this line and that line there, you can see that the space there is a bit wider as compared to this. That side there, I have not done it. That side here, this is the 30 centimeter. Yeah, and then this is the 15 centimeter, as you can see. Yeah, and then hey, I've jumped some of these, but I'll fill them tomorrow again. Yeah, I just need to do some other stuff now, and then tomorrow we continue again, and then until then it's bye bye from me. This is where we end.